making some chocolate chip cookies. First, we need a full bowl of butter. Why do I have to put it? And some sugar. And then I stir it very well. Look at that. Such a brown color. And now let's put 1 spoon of flour. And then we'll put some more but in 1 spoon or else it will be hard to mix. And mixing, mixing, mixing. Now 1 more spoon. I think I need to mix it a little bit more. Yeah, now 1 more spoon. And then we mix it again. We keep on doing that till the end. Till this full bowl finishes. Now I'll put the whole thing. Now let's keep it back. This egg. Yeah. So let's keep on mixing. Now let's put the egg. Just don't let the... there was a baby chick coming out. Was there one? Was there one? Now let's keep on stirring. Yeah. Oh my God. Mama! So hard. Now let's put half teaspoon of baking powder. Let me stop. And then this. This is baking soda. Now let's put it in. And some vanilla icing. Essence. Let's just put 1 drop. What a big spoon I took. This is how it looks right now. So now let's add some chocolate chips. Pull up. Let's save some for next time. 1 handful. Small. Now we have mixed it well, so we have to taste it. Yeah. Allah random. Now we'll take the baking tray and put it onto the baking tray. Let's scoop it up. We took this one out. Now I'm almost finished. I'm done. Now we'll put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Let's first open it. Now let's take the tray and just put it in. And then we can eat it. But let the hardness be a little warmness. Bye.